Savannah is my 16-year-old daughter, and she's very special to me in many ways. She's considered special needs because of her cerebral palsy and epilepsy that she has. She's in a wheelchair, but she loves to have fun just like everyone else. Dr. Mack was recommended from a friend of mine that has a special needs son, and she told me how much she loved this office and how much they cared for him and took care of him. So I thought I'd give it a shot. And on first arrival here, I felt so loved and welcomed. It made it easy for Savannah. She was able to listen to her music on her iPod and bring in a vibrating toothbrush. And when we had her at camp this summer, she had an accident and fell and knocked out 3 teeth. We rushed over here, and the camp wasn't very far away, so we got here within 30 minutes, and as soon as I walked in the door, it was like, let's take care of Savannah, let's rush her back there, let's see what we can do. And I was told that as if she sits still, and they would give her some laughing gas and try to make her as comfortable as possible. I was able to sit with her and help her and have some music on, and she sat there for an hour, and they were able to put the teeth back in. And it was an amazing experience because I just felt like the whole office put tremendous attention to Savannah. And it was just so comforting to her and comforting to me, and it gave me a sense of peace to where I could be calm as she was getting it done, and she was calm, and she actually was singing during part of it. And then at the end, she got up and gave me a hug. So it was really a wonderful experience out of something that could be really tragic. And so now we are so fortunate to say that she has all 3 of those bottom teeth still in, and all 8 teeth that were affected total are taken care of. And she is just a smiling 16-year-old girl that everybody loves. I just feel like I get the care and attention that I need for Savannah. I never feel like I can't go back there with her and help her, and it's almost like a team effort as far as Miss Tracy working on Savannah, and then also anyone else that is in the office that's helping her that day. She can ask them to come over and help her, and everyone is just in such a good mood and just so happy to see you. When she's had a hard time with the examinations or the cleanings, they've rescheduled her and had no problem doing that. And it just means so much. It makes going to the dentist a fun experience, and also knowing that they are well taken care of. So I really appreciate it all.